analysis on weekly expiry. Let's come to the point. Nifty again resist near 11,300. So my observation in the present scenario of Nifty is if it sustain above 11,300 to 365, it will try for range bound in between 11,500 to 800 zone. Otherwise, it will try to range bound in between 11,000 to 11,300. Let's come to Nifty chart. Nifty again resist in 11,300 and sustain in between 11,200 to 300. So as per chart assumption, if it breaks 11,300 to 365 resistance zone, it will take for further up move. Otherwise, if it breaks 11,200, it will maintain 11,000 to 11,300 range bound zone. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed in between 21,200 to 21,800. So for now, if Bank Nifty sustain above 21,800, then it's likely try for 22,000 to 22,800 zone again. Else, if it slips below 21,200 again, it's try to maintain a range bound move between 20,800 to 21,500 zone. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty again closed in between 21,200 to 21,500, which is its strong reversal support zone. So as per chart formation, it's likely range bound in between 21,200 to 800 zone. Otherwise, it will try for 22,000 plus zone. As per my assumption, there have some trading opportunity for index future for intraday. That's our. There have a crucial resistance for Nifty future, that 11,520. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances, that's are 11,329 and 11,456. There have a crucial support for Nifty future, that 10,989. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that's are 11,165 and 11,034. Same as for Bank Nifty future, there is a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty future, that 22,200. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances, that are 21,789 and 22,089. Same as for Bank Nifty future, there is a crucial support for Bank Nifty future, that 20,965. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that are 21,245 and 21,022. As per my exploration, there have some volatile stocks for intraday trading with trading range and midpoint. So what is the trading range and what is the midpoint? If a stock sustain above midpoint and it increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for its higher resistance to achieve with support of its midpoint. Same as if a stock sustain below its midpoint with increases volume, then the lower range is denotes for reversal support with resistance as midpoint. IRCTC, that LTP is 1384, its upper range is 1470 and lower range is 1350, and its midpoint is 1375. So if IRCTC sustain above its midpoint, that 1375, it's likely try for its upper resistance or upper range, that 1470. Otherwise, if it sustain below its midpoint, that 1375 with increases volume, then it's likely try to reverse from its lower range or lower reversal support, that 1350. You can note down every stock's LTP with range and midpoint for intraday trading. IRCTC, that LTP is 1384. ICICI GI, that LTP is 1299. LTI, that LTP is 2543. GSPL, that LTP is 208. Godrej Industry, that LTP is 411. Barjar Pen, that LTP is 583. SBI Life, that LTP is 811. HDFC, that LTP is 1740. HDFC Bank 1078. Boss Limited 13,730. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. You can mail me on my mail ID, or you can join